And I abandon so a man yes mano. But she could opt for something better. They say our business. Only business, no bet my in so many ways. I bet me I fetching more money. It's not by doing this. So what to a then a naked picture. No. A trim, don't say you need that publicity, no. Oh yeah, publicity.
For any adofono mema obibia akwaba sedane da munya ebre eje edwa etie ensemu a munuaba ekesikapa mede ebebeto apono so ede emamo na ebusia sede mu amunim no ye twene anim da ho a ye mbo enchen abaye bia wo gye ne ho mena ewo ye wo man Ghana emu na chese mu amunim se wono de ne dwumadi a wodiem ene Instagram like social media ene odi ne dwuma ho no odidie ho no odware ho no yi ne bibia ne kitchen ne ho bibia wo ho no ma chese ene so obedware kora ho no obekwa akoye obesiesie ne ho a ehwa na obekwa akoye na ene da idiem ni video aba abonti ana chese ne ni emu ne dwa upon eye incident bebra esi ewo na brabom ni nyina eye ye nua ba Rosemond Brown a dodo na nim ne se akuapem polo wono ne ho ensem ene ne dey me baba beka ebre wo yi ne ba wone ne ba omadeja ebebeto abonten a aposifo any human right for original ya no wo mo ma ne entre ne wo mo betu ne fo wo mo betwi nanim etwi nanim na nka yenim se wo sesa na wo sesa abusua de bakrampo de esewani ensese ye kan edicho we ene nsem no mu bebre na chese mede emu enchiremu ebebre mu mitwa me ho ba me ba ye beto aso.
Too much GH. Many have come and many have gone, but you are a great kankambuka ability, worth being beheld by every optical nerves. That saith the papacy.
Keep watching Too Much GH, and you get the best of entertainment, the best of everything you want.
My name is Human One. Keep watching Too Much GH. It's the best.
Keep watching Too Much GH.
Ebusia for any adofono mesanso emamo akwaba ebiemu eye minuaba oba Mercy enete mensa nifasui nana ama owusu anso nete mensa benkunso amene womo ebetwetwe enkomo oba Mercy mpombo kodie
Nyame adom tie ho ye pan
ederade ase anama bibia boko
Say I want no ho nti enko.
ya mi hu energy na de ba ye die jai
Ready.
Yo oba Mercy mede ebe free wo so yenhwe eye nuaba akuapem polo nansen ni video ne pictures eba abonten se wone eye ne ba boy 7 years ogina watwa naked a ogina ne mame anim ho sensen bebre eba ye mampanifo CID for like ekukudam wo mo esori do wo mo nan esi asa no so se mame yenhwe no na ebia na ne tirimo na adwemu ka no kakra na emu ahwa ya yedi ye twense abaye yi wo besesa wo di video abaje so ogina ho no ye TikTok yi bi chese wo bugi dance ye twerki enyina wo sha se de binu mo ka se na adwemu ka no ye no kra na
me da wase mi chia we tie fo na wa hwefo nyina
omo nyina ajo so
akuapem polo enti akuapem polo ye akuapem nipa
ene so shi ana ogusa no
ayo bu akuapem fo ni masesa no na so akuapem fo de anka mo le mo mpo mo wasemo okay yanko issue ni so akuapem polo yo bi a meme in my own way me hu ne say oye comic person.
okay
Oye obi a agro ni so.
okay
Onye obi a ye fan serious. Who say you that kind of people a omo one person mo ya ade na she in for attention e ba omo so.
okay
They are not hidden people. Omo nyo nkrofo mo de omo hu sie. That's how I see it.
okay
Our one e be see the timu bi ondwe ho na wa act.
Okay.
She's that kind of person. And as Ankrofo ni ami metini aka ne say na dream that open, but we don't take them serious because they act as they think.
na obi a wo act as you think na eno na kire se wa adwemu da wo abra wonim se de wo ye wo di gu hu fi
Oh,
me yi me ho abeto abontin kofo betwa abɔ me aba me tiri mu enti e wasa me nye because aba me
oh
tiri
no, then I make us say their personality is omo ni ji omo ho.
okay
See on, ni ji no one feel say this is the way I want to live my life. Me person me ni ji me ho like obia watoto n'ani are. Enye ewu aka say boda me ni tie. Aha. And besides, near all ye nyina wonim ni obenya free.
okay
Because untimi mbɔ wo ho adeja te sɛ nea ɔyɛ yi wonya hwe mfiri mu ɔtrendi yɛ ankasa ɛna me yɛ sure sɛ saa trendi ni mu no onya sika free mu onya bibi free mu
okay
eti na ɔde ne ho ato because ɛyɛ crazy
crazy
sɛ wobɛyi wo ho naked de abɛto wei without any gains ti onye ɔyɛ ni nyinaa onim ɔwɔ ne reason a watoto n'ani awe a ɛma ɔde yɛ nea ɔyɛ no
okay
eti yɛmfa ne serious
yɛmfa ne serious nanama wohwɛ ɛyɛ nsɛm a ɔba mɛsi di etu dwe ya wone ne yɛ adwana wo nso so wo deɛ wadwen ko
Madrinko.
Mpacho
Okay. On a serious note, no. Me share with you phone, watch your phone, yeah.
okay
Kapin polo. Ejuma o.
o adwuma
Me say oye ejuma.
ɔyɛ adwuma na
A
nkasa
business,
okay
A whole lot of things. Now, Kapin polo. One side be me admire
okay
because she's one determined person. Now, why not doing say the baby piano? She's ready to fight through.
Okay.
So be make it, or be so make it. Now, no matter what the cost is, or be so make it. Now, on the other hand, it's good to be driven by goals. Say, ube so making things and move. Now, so what you do always have precautions. Like nyema, it has effects. If today I sit here the whole day doing nothing, so maybe I was feeling comfortable, I was enjoying my sitting. But I said, what I did yesterday by sitting down the whole day is what is affecting me now. So from the start, Uba Bonting, you started chasing clouds. And go for more industry than I know about waiting no ayano, waiting me other, urban men no cry, and me pay famuti. And one a Danny and a tracking business.
yeah
None of tree. Otimu was so I remember when you had all the only massive followers was Anyamano. And I said, and Nisa Danny or the only business buying. Now, it means I know they are innovative into the Conin. Now, so a no moon near no a naked picture, but naked no or the half, not the about half, not the about half. Ni fool, and you who are on any bandit and no Danny has some Nanka or 10 to say, or 10 years or Timoko womb. I'm a neighbor bunting and I'm part of 2 times.
Yeah.
Now, so not chop on near Chinoni say, if you to a sacranipa. Ye shekini kakra nkofo high on when extra no man be part on and so about not say not da na the determination na what they pre papa no kwanya wo fa so no e na ye ni problem e say one check because onim the da ho e ma no dachi onim de obetimi enya tomorrow and yes because onim de obenya tomorrow ntene man enya show but what you are doing today will resound tomorrow. Okay. And this who nim the obenya opportunity who ya bibi e na no ma checking here because a children seminal how would you be able to understand how would you be able to so ube cheche matching of ube explain he say oh na me nim na ma ye hu say also the oye nya we ni je won say who ye as a naive person when you be hu nim the oye you are good with it and you are moving on with it and this a children seminal na after who you one na ube wona wadane just say nipa hunu keke
wada ne nipa hunu ekeke obamesi yenhwe eye ade o like unni bampo dia ye beka say bia unni eba ena bia wo ye bia by the time I wo ba wo no ani beba wo ho so ama wagyae de wo ye no but this is the situation whereby say you are having a son and it's not like say bia wo so all those wo so wo nyini ye ba ye de na ni afi 7 years de ye de na ni afi. Now, yes, and your marriage, don't you know, say, don't you think that it will affect the child in some other way?
I am a busame who say, Saba you if you be munofi or eja and na because obi ofi responsible family biamu be who say, and you say near tete, and now and you say na mamia or any daso and any swadi woman will act this way because me in person and I say every good mother ebeye dimpo say ne app ase kraning app say no obeyi di akire ne ba whether oba na bema
Okay.
ebeye din say obe gina ni benim so the whole world now we're shaking the tone in a way say or trekking to sell herself in all in the name of fame on the bani beshebi. Enti what are you adding up to your son? Impartation ben na free say unya oba ne so.
Okay.
Enso so aso ben. Akolani he is being polluted. She is not being a good mother too. And onye oba tampa man e ba be man because on man example be about onu free so ye bibi all in the name of onu ne baby but I see ne so ne your penny baby or person do but when it comes to ne banny the on consider ne ewo ne actions mu on consider implication be ba akola ne so ewo no ne decisions are offer.
Okay. Yo, Nanama, yen share adio. Wo kasa no ma ye hunu say like or you determined about something or the nisi bibi so a wo pesa wo ye. Na say wo do when ye si bibi so wo pesa wo ye because of say we ye a single parent a wo hwa wo ba. Na wonim say wo nko na wo di esika ban bibia na wo say e be feche wo mani a wo be ya na.
Ekua ekom eya ekom we ukura mpo wa mu ekom do a o feeling to say na wo sa wo eba a eba ne da nko a wo so a wo hwe no.
Okay.
Na ekom dey akla no. No mother likes to look on. Yeah, even me Bible mu sempa. Ye ko Bible mu a Hagar. Enso kom kekene na de ne ba Ishmael. Baby ana ne ba ne tete a wo sunu. Oba time ofini ba ne nche ko gina baby. Because on beto be hu atete ana ne ba no FM. Oba time bi enu a obeto hu se ne ba e fa atete mu nti se ekom wo mu. Na o hwe e ka bi polo. She doesn't have education.
Okay.
Only education bi obetuma ka say oh at least more people to make us say ko ye tuma wa ha ye be family na ma ye tuma no na only education no kra no those say there are other things you can do to better yourself no of say master the faster the better. I come to me say mama nya say na me nya enu na push you into this kind of life.
Okay.
You also tell the story I start from somewhere not or active but I say onye bibi tinchina bi the talent ni enshada pushing is ahibia ntina ye enshada en favor ni sa we movie casting background enshada mfeno enu to start say ono akasa goyi ono ani way pushing herself in her own way no and the man again sa publicity ni sa recognition no enu nti ho na me catch you say me accept no say me hu ni say determination any wa hwe ne ba no on be say obelei wrong foundation ma kwa say comment na enu nti oye nyama ensafa nti ono pesika no the way or the pesika no and wa fan but that way no eyesuatena me da was say wa correct me suatra we suatra because ekwan we yenim say egophobia be ye bi ye hu say ko wi omo abrofo na omo po omo de social media ba omo start say ebra we no wo mo ye krampo mo mfa nchira mo ma me I don't blame her for what she does but your son and found conso abrofo no mo de ni bi ebe an krampo mo yes anyama we to work in this time mo nya nchira omo ma wo ha emra be di omo ye betia ba je oba fru ntem say ma won shoba because oba no wa won ready so be hwe nti sa esiatra no e na aba no so a e ma no yes anyama no but she could opt for something better. They say our business only business no bet my in so many ways. I bet me are fetching more money. It's not by doing this. So what to a naked picture. No. A trim, don't say you need that publicity, no. Or yeah, publicity, movie back up and say we. Away bas. Aside that me who will be a man, we are here. And if she was making that relevant, they say, I dare or there to need so open on the opportunity no open now. And for so be amend, oh yeah, no, and for so be amend, just disgrace, more backlashing from we Ghana for any casenin. And no to mention I'm blaming that much because if you so young Ghana for now, so yes, I embrace it. Because oh yeah, nanka, oh yeah, no be am follow now. And go no ever to know for say, oh, my yempe. And I mean, too, and I mean, compare before for you. Now, so oh, they are quite like it. I love you, girl. You look good. Shake that thing for me. Now, near, you're for bonnet, so you're per bonnet. Oh, yeah, who told me any movie and about Nibani picture and about the sound of the end. And when I think on far, and yes, the woman will say, they are backing me all right. They are liking my pictures. They are liking everything I do. But if I saw the same, I should look for something better for myself.
I should look for something better for myself. Yeah, the answer no eba a year no year no. Oba mercy me ba o. As a celebrity, bibia na wasa wo de eba social media na.
Enye bibia na yese wo de ba social media. Obia life ni yobe pi we confidential.
Okay.
Especially on marriage status in yobe bi wa private life. And say public involved. And yes, I now will say relationship may be a woman.
Okay.
And one thing I might catch you having follow say every responsible man there up a beautiful lady with brain.
Okay.
Up a responsible man there. Those are life for a temporary thing. And funny ko baby and anyone who working will take care for granted.
Okay.
Because obe may be a new or bar. Like or saying who say and ordinary bravo to chacha. They want a responsible woman, a beautiful woman with brain, a woman of value, a woman of substance. Entinia all no on Jane Dachin because they see dear, who she see dear, you will gain, but tomorrow dear you will lose.
But tomorrow dear you will lose. Nana man for final words to Johnny for Jumidi no NC.
The Mika de chat on say, Rosemont Brown. You can do better for yourself than this. When I cut to her directly, so share video here. You can do better for yourself than this.
Me admire her so far.
Me I like her.
She's a beautiful lady.
I like her. Me penny them. I know what she's going through. Me Tina sit very well. But just think about tomorrow. Your son will not be 7-year-old. He will grow 20 years. Would he be happy? Would he be glad about spreading? Say, this is my mother. Bisa home. And I'm able to be an obisa. Say, what will be the repercussion of that act? Now, I'm sure, say, from now on, we will see better things from you. You have gotten the opportunity to be known. Use the publicity to do something good, beneficial, influential. I go first to you, social network bomb above to be so crampo, nepe, another thing to make yourself better.
Yo, abusia for aha ena ebrebe ma ye kwan ama ye di ye nkomodi di no esie wo adwentwe bia edefa ensem no eho a onso betimi ede aba ewo Tuma GH your comment section ebiemo enso so like your video share fama abusia for ewo all the social media platforms say Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat baby a utimi share edema abusia for betimi follow yenso so ewo ye IG page @Tuma GH _ me amede dwumade ho chia me midi ene akuasikapa me ne eye Obamasi ene Nana Ama Owusu anene dey ye gina eye dwumade nimu etwetwe enkomo the yellow ladies ene ye ne edi edwa no enti subscribe to your channel no so wonye ye nsusu a na dan wetimi enya update ayede ebremo aha enam de besi dasene ye besane hia
fitiani asese ne din ene your friend say mechanic Zana Prophet Kumichacha, my sister me YouTube no, baby I me should be I'm a change here for and I'm about too much GH. Share na Prophet Kumichacha me so me share.